found the small kitten in the backyard? पिछले आंगन में छोटी सी बिल्ली का बच्चा किसने पाया? Option is A. Ravi, B. Meena, C. Mridu, D. Ruku. Answer is option B. Meena.
What did Ravi name the kitten? रवि ने बिल्ली के बच्चे का क्या नाम रखा? ऑप्शन इज ए माही, बी ऋषि, सी महेन, डी महेंद्रन. Answer is option D. Mahendran.
Who was making a creaking noise from the window? खिड़की से कौन चीखने की आवाज कर रहा था? Option is A. Ravi, B. Lalli, C. Meena, D. Ruku. Answer is option B. Lalli.
What instrument was Lalli learning to play? लल्ली कौन सा वाद्य बजाना सीख रही थी? ऑप्शन इज ए वायलिन, बी फ्लूट, सी गिटार, डी पियानो. Answer is option A. Violin.
What did Ravi use to scare away the beggar? रवि ने भिखारी को डराने के लिए क्या इस्तेमाल किया? Option is A stick, B a broom, C his voice, D chappals. Answer is option D chappals.
Whose chappals did Ravi give to the beggar? रवि ने भिखारी को किसकी चप्पलें दी? ऑप्शन इज ए गोपू ममाज, बी म्यूजिक मास्टर्स, सी हिज ओन, डी मीनाज. Answer is option B. Music masters.
What was the beggar doing under the neem tree? नीम के पेड़ के नीचे भिखारी क्या कर रहा था? Option is A. Sleeping, B. Begging, C. Eating, D. Singing. Answer is option A. Sleeping.
Where did Ravi find the chappals for the beggar? रवि को भिखारी के लिए चप्पलें कहां से मिली? ऑप्शन इज ए अंडर द बेड, बी इन द किचन, सी इन द वरांडा, डी नियर द गेट. Answer is option C. In the veranda.
Who scolded Ravi for giving away the chappals? चप्पल देने के लिए रवि को किसने डांटा? Option is A. Party, B. Ruku Mani, C. Gopu Mama, D. Lalli. Answer is option B. Ruku Mani.
What was the beggar's reason for staying under the neem tree? भिखारी के नीम के पेड़ के नीचे रहने का क्या कारण था? ऑप्शन इज ए ही वॉज टायर्ड, वह थका हुआ था, बी ही वॉन्टेड आर्म्स, उसे भीख चाहिए थी, सी ही वॉज हाइडिंग, वह छिपा हुआ था, डी ही नीडेड शेड, उसे छाया चाहिए थी. आंसर इज ऑप्शन अ ही वॉज टायर्ड, वह थका हुआ था.
Who found out about the missing chappals first? सबसे पहले गायब चप्पलों के बारे में किसने पता लगाया? Option is A. Lalli, B. Ruku Mani, C. Party, D. Music master. Answer is option A. Lalli.
What was Rukumani's initial reaction when she found out about the missing chappals? जब रुक्कुमनी को चप्पलों के गायब होने के बारे में पता चला तो उसकी पहली प्रतिक्रिया क्या थी? ऑप्शन इज ए लाफ्टर, बी एंगर, सी कंफ्यूजन, डी सैडनेस. आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी एंगर.
Who suggested giving the beggar some old chappals? भिखारी को पुरानी चप्पलें देने का सुझाव किसने दिया? ऑप्शन इज A. Ravi, B. Mridu, C. Meena, D. Lally. Answer is option B. Mridu.
What did the music master compare Ravi to? संगीत गुरु ने रवि की तुलना किससे की? Option is A. Monkey, B. Hanuman, C. Tiger, D. Lion. Answer is option B. Hanuman.
Where did the beggar ask for alms? भिखारी ने भिक्षा कहाँ मांगी? Option is A. Gate, B. Veranda, C. Backyard, D. Garden. Answer is option A. Gate.
What did the music master do after finding out about the missing chappals? चप्पलें गायब होने की बात पता चलने पर संगीत गुरु ने क्या किया? Option is A. Laughed, B. Cried, C. Searched, D. Left. Sorry, we don't know the answer. If you know the answer, then comment the answer in comment box.
What was the music master's reaction to the new chappals? नई चप्पलों को देखकर संगीत गुरु की क्या प्रतिक्रिया थी? Option is A. Happiness, B. Sadness, C. Anger, D. Indifference. Answer is option A. Happiness.
Who was Ravi compared to at the end of the story? कहानी के अंत में रवि की तुलना किससे की गई? Option is A. Ram, B. Krishna, C. Buddha, D. Jesus. Answer is option A. Ram.
What did Rukumani say to Mridu after the commotion with the chappals? चप्पलों के साथ हुए हंगामे के बाद रुक्कुमन्नी ने मृदु से क्या कहा? Option is A. Come for tiffin, टिफिन के लिए आओ, B. Go to bed, सो जाओ, C. Study harder, और अधिक मेहनत से पढ़ाई करो, D. Feed महेंद्रन, महेंद्रन को खाना खिलाओ. Answer is option A. Come for tiffin, टिफिन के लिए आओ.
Fill in the blanks. Ravi pulled Mridu into the house. Wait, let me take off my blank, protested Mridu. Option is A. Shoes, B. Slippers, C. Socks, D. Sandals. Answer is option B. Slippers.
Mahendran, the kitten, was lapping up milk from a blank. Option is A. Coconut shell, B. Glass, C. Bowl, D. Plate. Answer is option A. Coconut shell.
Ravi described Mahendran as a descendant of the ancient blank kings. Option is A. Roman, B. Egyptian, C. Greek, D. Persian. Answer is option B. Egyptian.
Mahendran, scientifically speaking, was a close relative of the blank. Option is A. Dog, B. Tiger, C. Lion, D. Elephant. Answer is option C. Lion.
The sound, screeching, was Lily learning to play the blank. Option is A. Guitar, B. Flute, C. Violin, D. Piano. Answer is option C. Violin.
The beggar made himself at home under the blank tree. Option is A. Mango, B. Neem, C. Coconut, D. Banyan. Answer is option B. Neem.
Rukumani gave the music master Gopo Mama's blank chappals. Option is A. Old, B. New, C. Fancy, D. Broken. Answer is option A. Old.
Ravi gave the beggar the music master's blank. Option is A. Shirt, B. Pants, C. Hat, D. Chappals. Answer is option D. Chappals.
The music master compared Ravi to a blank incarnate. Option is A. Monkey, B. Elephant, C. Lion, D. Bear. Answer is option A. Monkey.
Rukumani mentioned Karna's generosity with his blank. Option is A. Gold, B. Silver, C. Bronze, D. Copper. Answer is option A. Gold.
The beggar said he had been surviving on the generosity of the blank. Option is A. Children, B. Neighbors, C. Family, D. Ladies. Answer is option B. Neighbors.
Ravi dropped the slippers in front of the beggar and told him to wear blank. Option is A. Sandals, B. Shoes, C. Boots, D. Chappals. Answer is option D. Chappals.
The music master's chappals were blank. Option is A. New, B. Old, C. Fancy, D. Expensive. Answer is option A. New.
Rukumani said Ravi had been very blank. Option is A. Kind, B. Thoughtful, C. Naughty, D. Generous. Answer is option C. Naughty.
Rukumani mentioned that Karna only gave away his blank. Option is A. Wealth, B. Belongings, C. Chappals, D. Food. Answer is option B. Belongings.
Rukumani's eyes flashed when the music master called Ravi a blank. Option is A. Monkey, B. Lion, C. Tiger, D. Bear. Answer is option A. Monkey.
The music master's chappals were bought from blank. Option is A. Beach Road, B. Mount Road, C. Main Street, D. Market Street. Answer is option B. Mount Road.
Ravi found the chappals in the blank. Option is A. Kitchen, B. Veranda, C. Backyard, D. Garden. Answer is option B. Veranda.
The beggar's feet were blistered from the hot blank. Option is A. Sand, B. Tar, C. Concrete, D. Asphalt. Answer is option B. Tar.
The music master's chappals cost a whole month's blank. Option is A. Rent, B. Salary, C. Fees, D. Allowance. Answer is option C. Fees.